So my name is Poonam Benual Patel, and I'm a third-year gastroenterology fellow. So our project actually is a project the nidus for it is that we take care of patients who have inflammatory bowel disease, which is a chronic autoimmune condition that affects millions of patients, but especially patients in their 20s or their 30s. And oftentimes when these patients come into clinic, we ask them questions really focused around their bowel symptoms. And sometimes patients have what we call extraintestinal symptoms, so joint pain, skin rashes. But we don't screen them for any cognitive deficiencies or defects. But we know these patients often report to us that they have trouble in school or with work. But there really haven't been any studies assessing extraintestinal manifestations of Crohn's disease as applied to the brain. So our study was a novel study that was a pilot study consisting of 20 patients. All the patients have Crohn's disease, and they were all asymptomatic. None of them had any history of any underlying brain disease that we know of. And essentially, they underwent tasks both outside of an MRI scanner and then inside of an MRI scanner. When they were inside of the MRI scanner, we captured data which revealed the structure of their brain and then the function of their brain during certain cognitive tasks. What our study found was actually quite surprising. What we found is that our patients may exhibit signs that are consistent with accelerated aging when they perform verbal tasks. In other words, when we compared our patients whose average age was about 26 years old to patients who were healthy and they were in the same age group, they had significant increased activation of parts of their brain that are normally seen in 40, 50, 60-year-olds. So this is a novel finding that has not been shown in any other study before. We were actually not expecting to find this study, but it provides an exciting base for future studies to assess cognition in these young patients who are usually diagnosed in the most important years of their life.